Yeah. Here's my tank. I'm making that video showing the, showing how it, you know, what's it called? Breaks paint. Let me just get everything set up. Gassed up. Alright. Now, I'm going to shoot at that. Hopefully you can see this. Yeah, you can see this. I'm going to shoot at that tree. So let's see. Okay, it's not really splattering right now. Oh, the vibration knocked it off. Hold on. Let me fix this. But yeah, it's not really splattering right now, but shooting normal. As you can see, now let me turn up the apex all the way. So I'm going to have to aim up. It's shooting normal now. I guess it's just the weather. Oh, you see that? Alright, now I'm going to show the cyclone feed in a second. Hold on. Alright, here's the cyclone itself. Okay, here's the cyclone itself. Can't really get any good lights. It's kind of late in the day. I'll try that. Let's shoot the tree. Ow. Seems like it's working fine. What? What? Hold on. I screwed in the HVA tank all the way, but apparently it came loose. I don't know. So here's the cyclone. So it's working fine. But yeah. There's some paint in there too. I can't really disassemble it because it's gassed up, but I'll take some pictures in a little bit after I'm done shooting. Alright. Okay. So this is my Alpha Black with cyclone feed, apex barrel, blah 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 blah, custom painted. As you can see, Gorilla 8845 tank. Has some air. Oh, you can't see it. Has some air left in it. I'm gonna be shooting that can. I'm kind of aiming one-handed though. Wow. It is hard to aim one-handed. Alright, so I'm going to show you how fast this thing can shoot. This is not full auto. I have full auto, but I don't feel like setting it up right now. And it's true full auto. This is, this thing. Alright, go like back and forth. Watch. What? Hold on. I found out what happened. It was jammed. I got like one paintball left. That's it. This thing's pretty loud too. I got that much air left. Alright, see you people. Okay, so here's the amount of paint inside of here after shooting a few hundred rounds. There's not really any in the Cyclone. I could show you that in a second. Let me take off the hopper. Cyclone. It's pretty clear of paint, except for a few areas, but it's mostly down in here if there's any paint. Alright, so yeah.